Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving one of the most elusive challenges in OWASP to shop application, which is known as blockchain hype. If you've ever started at the front end wondering where juicy coin is hiding, this one is for you. So the goal here is to find the hidden ICO page for juicy coin before it's publicly announced. So there is no brute forcing here, no backend exploit, just pure front end inspection with tactical decoding. So let's quickly get started to solve the challenge, guys. So I'm in my Canalix virtual machine just now. I'm going to quickly fire up the juice shop application by opening the root terminal, which I've logged in via root account. So I'm quickly going to go to the juice shop directory, run this command over here, npm start. It's going to launch my OWASP juice shop application, and I should be good to launch the application using my browser, using this URL over here, localhost colon 3000. Let me quickly see if the recording is still on. All right, that is there. And firstly, let me show you where the challenge is, guys, and how it's presented and what exactly the requirement is. I go to quick scoreboard just now, scoreboard menu, score hyphen board. All right, so here, if you see here, under security through obscurity, you will see this challenge which says blockchain hype, which is rated 5-star, guys, in terms of difficulty level it carries. All right, so if you want to see the hint, you can definitely check out. There are 4 hints basically. If you keep on tapping on this option over here, you will see all the 4 hints on how you're supposedly to be challenging this, solving this challenge. All right, definitely it says there is a part where you will be doing code analysis basically. So when it talks about code analysis, it's definitely referring to inspecting the front end logic of the application, which is generally the JavaScript. Right, there will be part where you will be analyzing each chunks of the code, okay, and particularly should navigate to a particular snippet which will give you a clue of how to solve this challenge. All right, so you can clearly see here it is hinting us that there is definitely a code analysis thing that is going to alone help us solve this challenge. So that is what I'm going to show you guys on how we can inspect the front end logic of the application to understand the possible hidden clues which will help us to solve the challenge. So there are different ways to inspect the front end code. So normally what I do is I will open up a separate tab over here. So let me relaunch the application, guys. Just did a mess. Right, I'm quickly going to open a separate tab over here. Just go to juice shop directory again and just do ls, and you will see something called front end folder. I'll get inside here and do ls again, and there will be something called dist folder. I have to just switch directly to the dist folder again, do ls, and there will be another front end folder. I have to get inside again this front end folder, do ls, and here you will see something called main.javascript. I can just quickly do a cat space main.js and read the file. This is the complete code, guys, which is definitely looking gibberish to me. So I can just copy paste it into a notepad file and just start inspecting the code. So it's going to take a lot of time. So this is convenient for me, guys. I'm not going to use any browser developer tools, just using simple things. Okay, I can drag and paste it over here, paste the code's content. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to inspect this code just now, guys, in front of you. So there is something I can do. Okay, so what I can understand from the description of the challenge is this: there is something tricky that we need to look at. Okay, so definitely hints towards some secret message, either concealed via obfuscation, and that particular thing is what we need to identify over here. So a common term that we can look for is this particular thing: string dot from char code with open and close braces. And if I do a search over here, you can see here there's definitely the this particular term. It has returned us a value over here, right? This is nothing but it's a decoding character, guys. It's going to decode obfuscated strings, okay, to actually run the encoded message during runtime, okay, on the Java engine or JS engine, we can call, okay. This is just to ensure the human analysis is bypassed, okay, though this is encoded uh, um, within the application. However, this particular character over here, it is going to help the runtime engine to decode and execute the actual logic behind this obfuscation. Okay, so the obfuscation is generally to ensure human can't read the message. Okay, in a way, it is adding a layer of security. Okay, to bypass human audits. But however, it does not mean the execution of the code in itself is actually stopped or bypassed using standard encoding. methods. All right, so this particular character over here, which has written as exact value, which I use to search, okay, within this code, which clearly or strongly indicates that there is an obfuscation in play. All right, so what we can do now is from here, from this part over here, I can quickly um, drag my mouse pointer. All right, so till here I can copy and put it in a separate notepad instance. All right, and so this is the snippet I would be keen to analyze, guys. So now what I will do is I will rearrange or sanitize this particular snippet to uh, to make it look good, okay, uh, or which will allow us to execute in the browser console. All right, so let me see if the recording is enabled. So guys, this is how the snippet was. All right, I mean in a continual fashion. So what I did was I made sure, like, I rearranged this code to I mean rearrange it to look like a code basically. Okay, I've used online tools to make sure it's arranged correctly in a way that the browser's console can interpret the code and execute the logic and give us the right output that we should be looking at. All right, so that part is done. Okay, so clearly in within this snippet, if you see, there are a lot of recognizable characters over here, which denotes that there is a hidden path which we should be looking at. All right, so this particular string over here, which gives us a clue that there is a concealed path, which would help us to reveal the path where the actual juicy shops web page uh, will be revealed to us. So eventually, using that particular path, we can access the Bitcoin's web page. All right. So now what I have also done is, this is the obfuscated code, guys. Okay, I have de-obfuscated it using online tools. Okay, so this is the final snippet, guys, which we will be testing in the browser's uh, developer console. Okay, we will run this code over here in the backend to understand what is the exact hidden path which is obfuscated in nature, and we have sanitized this code, okay, and made sure the hidden path is going to be revealed, okay, once we execute this particular snippet, okay, which is the final one. So what I'm going to do is quickly open the browser just now. I will go to home page of the juice shop application. Just do a right click on inspect option over here. If I go to console over here, if I just paste the snippet and hit enter, it's going to reveal a hidden path, guys, or hidden route, which is just this one just now, all right, which is called as token sale hyphen ICO hyphen EA, guys. If I quickly copy this or and access on the address bar, access using the address bar at the end of the hash forward slash thing, and if I quickly paste this path over here and hit enter, all right, or I can open a separate tab just now, or if I just do this and access this, okay, it's still not accessing, guys. I think there is a hash that is missing. So guys, I think that is the, if I quickly go back to the scoreboard page and quickly go to security through obscurity category, you can see this challenge is solved successfully, guys. All right, so what I did was I copied this particular decoded route over here and just tried accessing using the browser, using the base URL of the application. Okay, after the hash and the forward slash, I just pasted this hidden path and hit enter. You can see the token sale or the juicy coins hidden web page has been successfully accessed by us, which resulted in solving this security through obscurity blockchain hype challenge, guys, which is rated the 5-star, okay, in terms of the difficulty level it carries. So this is how we successfully managed to solve this challenge, guys, by reviewing the front-end logic of the application, which is nothing but the main.js script. Okay, and we used the decoding character. Okay, and we found another thing. What I wanted to add is that particular string, right, which helped us to this particular thing over here, string dot. Okay, from car code. If you see here, in the entire snippet, you will just find only a couple of the ones, only a couple of instances we were able to find in the snippet. So, which generally indicates that a particular secret thing has been encoded using this decoding character, basically. Okay, so this is how I managed to understand that that particular part of the snippet had some concealed message. Okay, using that snippet alone, I managed to deobfuscate the code and then execute it to find the hidden path, guys. So that's how I managed to solve this challenge in front of you. And if you found this, but I do accept that I used certain online tools, okay, like CyberChef, as well as I used Copilot as well in between to deobfuscate the code, as well as to sanitize the code basically. Okay, so you can also use all these online tools, okay, to as well as inspect the code, as well as to deobfuscate it, as well as if you want, if you want direct AI tools like chat gpt or even copilot can help you decode that obfuscated code, all right, to reveal you with the hidden message, all right, which I managed to do. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the important guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful technical videos like this. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy, cheers, tata, bye bye.